So hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Taja AI. So Taja AI is a AI powered tool that helps you repurpose your long form YouTube videos into multiple pieces of content for social media. So think video titles, description, hashtag, thumbnails, shorts, captions, you name it. It's designed to save you time while improving your SEO and brand consistency across platforms. So here are some standout features. You can generate up to 27 social media posts from one YouTube video, writes SEO optimized titles and descriptions, suggests thumbnails and video tags, and converts long form into shorts with captions. And it learns your brand voice to keep content, consistent, and all of that just happens in a few minutes. So, first things first, you gotta sign up. You gotta click the sign up button here. I just click sign up with Google. I'm gonna click a Google account right here. Then after that, we're gonna go continue. We're gonna sign in here. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit because it does take time to log in. So let's start with an example. So let's start with this example video here. So within a few minutes, it will give us CEO titles, optimized video description, and tag suggestions, thumbnail concepts, and shorts with auto-generated captions. So I'm just gonna wait for a little bit. It's gonna generate all of the things I listed. So as you can see here, it here is the post description, this is the detailed description, this is the thumbnail. We generate a new thumbnail. There's also the tags that we need, and here's the title that we can use. So this is the best one we can use. So this is the big SEO title. Then we also have the description, the tags, the transcription of the video, generated thumbnails. If you want that, you can fully AI generated or added face only. You can do that also. So you can also include captions and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. That's what it can do. So after that, we're going to that's the video right there. But here's the thing about Taja AI is because if you link your own video, you do need to pay for an actual subscription. But you can have a free trial, but that free trial you need to enter your bank details, and it's only for 7 days, and it might charge you after. So I don't really recommend doing that. But after you make your Taja AI thing, you can tweak anything in there. So yeah, you do need plans for it. So you can start now. I'm gonna show you the pricing of this. So as you can see here, we have the pricing here. You have 7 days free, then $4.99 per month. Then we have the starter. Then after that, we can just have the free one. There's also the starter plan, $4.90 a year for one user, semi pro, $7.90 per year for 3 users, and pro. It's per year. So per year is like $1,000.99. So it's for unlimited video optimization. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're producing regular content, it could pay off quickly. So final verdict is Taja AI worth it? If you're a solo creator juggling editing, SEO, social media uploads, and then absolutely, yeah, it's pretty worth it. It doesn't replace creativity, but it does eliminate a lot of the grunt work that you need to grow your channel and your brand. So that's it for today's review and tutorial on Taja AI. Let me know in the comments if you tried it or if you have other AI tools you recommend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.